If you are tired of letting hours of great footage sit on your hard drive while you struggle to edit it, this guide is exactly what you need. Whether you are juggling rambling live streams, long-form interviews, or vlogs that need to be sliced into dozens of vertical clips, the editing process can be a total pain. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple 3-step workflow to turn your long-form videos into a steady stream of shareable, viral-ready pieces. By the end of this video, you will be able to reliably identify your best moments, polish them quickly, and publish them on autopilot while keeping a consistent look across all your social platforms. Let us jump right into step 1, which is setting up your content profile and feeding the right material into the AI editor. Think of this tool like an editor that actually learns the vibe you want, allowing you to simply drop your long video into the workspace and let the AI grab the highlights automatically. For a more deliberate route, you can build a content profile by giving the AI your specific creator voice, target platforms, and preferred aspect ratios so it knows exactly what to look for. Start by logging into your account and opening your workspace, where you will see options for projects, uploads, and automated editing tools. If you want to move fast, just click the upload button, drop in your video file, and choose the automatic edit function to get moving instantly. The system will analyze the entire file, detecting highlights like laughter, applause, topic changes, and emotional peaks to spit back a batch of potential clips. If you prefer more control, create a new project and add a short description of your channel's tone, whether that is funny, educational, sarcastic, or heartfelt. Upload a few reference videos so the AI can learn what counts as a high point for your specific style of content. In your profile, you can set default aspect ratios, like 9:16 for TikTok, which makes all your future auto-edits much more consistent. Pro tip number 1, if you manage multiple shows or hosts, set up separate projects for each one so the system does not mix up your unique tones or formats. Pro tip number 2, always upload high-quality source files because crystal clear audio and visible reactions help the AI identify much better moments. Step 2 is all about letting the AI find the viral moments and shaping them up to look professional. Once your video is processed, head over to the Auto Edit tab, where you will see a suggested batch of clips labeled by type, such as punchlines or quotable soundbites. You can keep the default suggestions for consistency, but you are also free to tweak the start and end times, add a headline overlay, or change the aspect ratio manually. For example, if you are working on a travel vlog, the AI might return 18 solid clips, including someone cheering at a view or a funny, relatable slip-up. If you have 2 hosts on screen, use the speaker detection tools to tell the AI who to prioritize, and it will center the frame and boost their audio automatically. The software also features a handy captioning editor, which lets you choose the style presets so every single clip has the exact same font, color, and placement. Want a branded lower third or an animated bumper? Just save it as a template and apply it to the whole batch so your videos stay cohesive. Another pro tip, use the viral score filter to sort your clips by predicted performance, which is a great shortcut for deciding what to publish first. When you are editing interactions, you can use local tools to replace background frames, add a B-roll overlay, or simply insert a cleaner cutaway. You can also generate several thumbnail options automatically, picking the one that captures the excitement best to stop the scroll. Step 3 is where you schedule, publish, and scale your content using the built-in calendar. The auto-schedule feature is incredibly powerful, allowing you to set how often you want to post, and the system handles the rest by queuing everything up. Use the content calendar to visualize your entire week, drag and drop clips to reorder them, and add platform-specific tweaks for each network. Analytics are baked right in, so after your posts go live, you can track engagement trends and see exactly which clips are performing the best. Over time, the AI learns what works for your unique audience and will surface even better clips the next time you process a video. There are other clip tools out there, but many of them fail because they only export one format at a time or lack professional captioning and scheduling features. This tool hits a sweet spot by combining smart highlight detection, batch formatting, and a calendar that actually saves you massive amounts of time. If you want even more control, use custom templates for different video series, like a weekly Q&A or a travel mini-series, and the AI will apply those rules automatically. To recap the workflow, upload and create your content profile, review the suggested clips with your own edits, and then use the calendar to publish consistently. If you have been struggling to post consistently, this setup is a total game changer for scaling your channel without losing your mind. Try setting up a small project tonight, pick one long episode, and let the tool generate 10 clips for you to schedule over the coming week. You will quickly see how much time this saves and exactly which types of content your audience loves the most. All right, it is your turn to try it out. Tweak your settings and let your clips do all the heavy lifting for your brand. If you like this walkthrough, give this video a like, share it with a friend who is always editing until midnight, and subscribe for more creator tips.